All right, y'all, so here we go. This is a sneaker that we've seen so many different versions or mock-ups that we didn't know what we was gonna get. Then All-Star Weekend hit and we kind of got an idea of which pair we was gonna get. Now, me being a Lakers fan, y'all know that this is something that I feel like I have to add to my collection, just off of the strength of being a Lakers fan. But for everybody else, it always boils down to a couple of factors. Now, some of those things is quality. You know what I'm saying? The silhouette. And the Jordan 4 is a crazy, hyped, loved silhouette. You know what I'm saying? But that quality piece and then availability. That's always, those three things determine whether a sneaker is going to sit or sell out. But with this one right here, this is going to be my first lifeline of 2026 when it comes to whether or not I think a shoe is going to sit or sell out. Because I think this shoe will sell out. But I'm going to tell y'all, don't panic. Because I think on the resale market, they might not go for much. What? Hey, let me explain. Let's talk about it.
We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the brew. For OGs in the you can kick it with us too. Technology.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not this sneaker right here, the Jordan 4 Imperial Purple or Lake Show Lakers, whatever y'all want to call it, we're going to be talking about this sneaker, man. Before we get up to this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as I stated in the intro of this video, this sneaker, it has been like, it's been back and forth whether I thought this sneaker was going to sit or sell out and whether people wanted it or not. So we seen the first release during All-Star break of this year, and it was a couple of pairs. And everybody was saying, especially a lot of content creators were saying, it was going to be 62,000 pairs or 60,000 plus pairs on the sneakers release. Come to find out, this is going to be the stock numbers. Around 32K. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Normally the way it works, I don't think all 32K is gonna drop tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I do think it's gonna be a little bit more limited. They might do some restocks. So maybe with that 32,000, that includes numbers that we had during the All-Star break as well. Regardless, I don't think it's gonna be as available in many pairs as people think. And then we had like the JD exclusive access that was like only ship to me option, you know what I'm saying? And then we had a couple of Hibbits that they didn't have many pairs at many locations. I know a couple of Hibbits that they only got like 12, 13 pairs in total. That's it, out of the whole size range. And then it seemed like all of the tier 0 stores did get them, like your boutiques, I'm near social status and all that stuff, which a lot of those sneakers are done through the run fair process. So what I'm saying is that yes, this sneaker is gonna sell out. The quality, and you know, content creators, we kind of like control the market as far as like whether or not people think the shoe is quality wise, if it's good. And I'm hearing that this sneaker is the purple brick by brick. You know what I'm saying? You know, all these, we got all these fake color brick by bricks. But I'm hearing the quality is that good on it. And judging by a lot of the videos that I've seen, shout out to my guy Titanic Feet Jack. He did an early look. He Got Keeks did an early look. I got Rick and Maddie Keeks. They did an early look. And man, let me tell you, the quality looks immaculate. Now, again, if you're not a Lakers fan, I really don't see the need of this sneaker, to be honest with you. But that's just because I'm a Lakers fan and y'all be always hating on the Lakers, so I don't see why you would want this sneaker. Resale, again, I don't think it's going to do crazy numbers. I think it's going to be similar to what we've been seeing with the Union Jordan 1s where, you know, it's hype, but then a resale ain't that great. I think that's what we're going to see with this sneaker, man. Y'all, what y'all think? Am I wrong? I think that this shoe is going to sit right around retail, maybe $30, $40 above retail, if that. You know what I'm saying? I just don't see many people after tomorrow's drop. All the people who want it, Laker fans and stuff like that want the sneaker, would go after tomorrow. And I think that if they did their footwork, they should be able to get this sneaker. Outside of that, you might have a few people that's willing to pay crazy resale for this thing, or, you know, a high dollar amount. But I don't think it's going to be like that. But I could be absolutely wrong. Like I said, this is my lifeline sneaker for 2026, man. This is the one that y'all got to show me grace. Because if I'm wrong, I don't want to hear it. Because I'm telling y'all, I think it's going to sell out, but I don't know what it's going to do on the resale market. That's just my opinion. Now, walk in the store, will you be able to find this sneaker in store? I ain't seen many places that had it and that's going to have them in store. So I don't think you're going to see this sneaker in store. Maybe like grade school sizes or something like that. But again, here are the stock numbers for each individual size. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to look at that. The size 11 is looking pretty hefty. You know what I'm saying? 12 ain't too bad. But those unicorn sizes are scarce. You know what I'm saying? So, which is normal. Again, 32K. This is a sneaker that I feel like is dope. I don't know why they did a face box, a Jordan face box, the silver Jordan face box. I don't know why they did that. To me, that kind of throws it off, but whatever. Maybe it's some rhyme to their reason, but I don't know what it is. Y'all comment down below if y'all know what that is. But let me know what y'all think. 220 is going to be the retail. It does drop tomorrow. Good luck to y'all. If y'all are trying to get this sneaker, I will have a review of this sneaker for you guys. And let me know if this is a must cop to add to your collection, or what y'all think is gonna happen with this sneaker when it drops. Let me know. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock your like that was hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these four, is just bait. But for me to share my faith, I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.